Hey everyone! Welcome to part 6 of our Python tutorial series. Today, we're diving into comparison operators, logical operators, and a clever technique for swapping variables without a third variable. Let's jump right in.
Okay. Okay, let me continue. If you take C language, you'll be having different operators like arithmetic, assignment, binary, bitwise, comma, conditional, increment, decrement, okay, and unary relative operators. All these operators. Okay. When you go to C language, here also we'll have so many operators, but we'll deal with important operators like comparison operators, okay, logical operators, and different types of operators you'll have here. Identity operators, membership operators, okay. As in like arithmetic operations, every know like plus, minus, okay, subtraction, division, multiplication, this part. Okay. In Python, we have some different operators which you don't have in other languages. Okay. If you take membership operators, okay, identity operators, you don't have these things in C language or Java. Okay. So we'll deal with these operators. Okay. What is new in Python, we'll deal with them. Instead of dealing with all the operators, you already know it, but I'll deal with some of the operators. You'll understand everything in clear way. Okay. And everyone know comparison operator, right? What are the different comparison operators you have? Can anyone text me in chat? What is comparison operators? What are different comparison operators? You have equal, right? Yeah, that's true, that's true. Correct, correct. Equal to you have, and similarly not equal to you have, okay? And similarly, and you have lesser than, greater than, and sorry, you have lesser than, greater than, okay? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, all the operators. These are the different operators you have. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Equal to, okay. Got it, right? This thing. All the operators, what are the different operators we have? These are the different comparison operators actually. You'll call it as comparison operators, this all. Okay. I'm mentioning this all comparison operators. If you want, I'll give you some examples here. Okay. Some A is equal to some 100 I'm taking. Okay. B is equal to some 300 I'm taking. Okay. Now I'll write like A equal to B. Okay. What this will give? A equal to B. Is it true? It's not true, right? A is 100, B is 300. So it's not true. Similarly, you can take A is greater than B. Is it true? It's not true. A is smaller than B, obviously. So A is less than B. This condition is true, right? Yeah, condition is true. You know what is condition, right? Less than condition, greater than condition, everyone. Everyone know this thing, right? Still any doubt, anyone? Still anyone are having any doubt regarding this comparison operator? No doubt, right? Everyone know this operators, right? Clearly. I guess no need to explain in depth, like even you can use less than or greater than or equal to, like see A less than or equal to B. Even this gives true. Okay. In this way, you can use this comparison operators when you want to take some conditions. Okay, if you take if statements, while statement, not only this, you can use anywhere. Wherever you are taking some conditional part, you'll be using this all things. Okay. And initially, I just want to show you something. Uh, as I mentioned, you follow this W3 schools. For some days, it will be like I'll be following this sort of things. Okay. For basic part, I'll be moving with this content, W3 schools content. I'll be adding different things. But when you're going advanced part now, your things will change there. Okay. And you can go with intro, get syntax, everything. Okay. How to take comments. I did not explain comments. Okay. You can take ash actually for comment. Okay, you need to go through this W3 schools for this basic things. Follow my classes and mostly I'll be covering all the part in my class. Okay, Python variables. If you take variables, how to declare them. Okay. Similarly, you'll be having casting also, how to cast the values. Okay. Variable names, how to give the variable names, different variable names. Okay. Assigning multiple values, how you can you can assign multiple values, this part. Okay. I didn't explain you this part. If you want, I'll explain you this thing here. Okay. In today's session, we can take this also. Uh, for some days, like beginners, please follow this W3 schools and my content for some days. Okay. And W3 schools are very clear. If you feel that you are not liking that content, you can ping me. I'll guide you with some other thing also. Okay. You have Java T point and some other also, but W3 schools is very good. Okay, and definitely, and I'll be covering this all topics. Whatever topics you have in this, now, I'll cover all these topics. I'll be not explaining this OOPS concept to you. Up to this lambda array, everything I'll cover. Okay, and then after that, in this, we'll be dealing with Python libraries. Okay, Python matplotlib will deal. Okay, and Cbon, all the advanced part also will deal. Okay. From there, things will be different. Only for basic, you can follow this. Okay, for advanced part, you can follow my thing, whatever things I'm giving you. Okay, from EDA part, things will change. Initially, here beginning, you can go with this. Okay, clear, right? This is just assigning the multiple values, how you can assign multiple values and all. Okay, some part you can go through this all things. Okay. In day two, just mentioning the same name instead of this, and just whatever things see here, how to assign multiple values, just showing you this part. Okay, and W3 schools will be very clear. Try to follow it. Okay, and see, you'll get this many values to multiple variables. Okay, and here I want to discuss one more thing is like swapping part. It's very easy swapping in Python actually. Okay, how you swap things in Python. Okay, how you can swap in Python. See, a comma b is equal to, I'm giving some values like 10 comma 30. Without using third variable, you can swap them. Okay, for example, I'm giving a is equal to some 45. Okay, b is equal to some 90. I'm giving here, and now just a is equal to b and b comma a. Okay, I'm mentioning like this and I want to print a. Okay, uh, a equal to, I want to just give the value, like what value will give a, and here we'll print b is equal to b value will give, and we'll see what values we'll get. Okay, see, I'm taking 45 and 90 here, and after swapping, see, a is equal to 90, b is equal to 45. Without using third variable, you can swap this way. Okay, while you are writing some coding also, you can use this to write the code, like some building some algorithms. You can use this instead of taking the third variable, okay, and copying it. If you take C language, obviously you need to take another variable, right? Or else without using, also by using max formula you can do it. Okay, but here it is very easy to remember. Okay, and once after is like after class is ended, it will end in 3 minutes. You need to join with the same link. Okay, you can join with the same link. Class will be up to 9 o'clock and 10 minutes. If you have any doubt, I'll be taking some doubt session after the class. Okay. Clear, right? Everything here. How to take multiple values, how you can take multiple values, and how to use this swapping part. Okay. In this way, you can take. Clear? And next, we are dealing with this, right? Comparison operators will continue. Similarly, you can see all the things here. Okay. Here, one value you can assign for multiple variables. This thing also you can do. Okay. Just showing you this part so that you'll remember this all things. Follow W3 schools. Only for this I'm using W3 schools. Okay. This content is so good. You try to follow this W3 schools. Okay. Yeah. In this way you can use it. Next. Okay, you'll get orange this way. One value can assign to so many. Next swapping is done. Okay, comparison operators are done. Okay, got it right till here. Everything. Next we'll move to another thing. Okay, and I'll be giving some task also in between. Try to complete the task also if any task is given. Next, logical operators. Mention logical operators in chat if you know what all different logical operators you have. You can mention in the chat. What all different logical operators you have? Yeah, and next, only and next, or okay. Any other? Yeah, not. These are logical operators. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, clear, right? XOR we have it, but here we'll deal till here only. Okay, XOR operator in Python we'll use very rare. Okay. You are like some people are from EC. I know that you have so many gates and all. Okay, but we won't use all the things here. We'll use some. And I know, guess like what is this and what is this or what is this not. Everyone know it, right? What will be the condition here? If both are true, like if you take true and true values, okay, the output will be true for this, right? If both are true, only true. Like conditions, you already know it, right, everyone? If you want, I'll mention this gate part. Okay. If you take and, if you take and, what are different conditions you'll get here? If you take true value, okay, true and true, result will be true, right? For and. If you take true and false, what will be the result here? You can ping in the chat. What will be the result here? If I take a true value, true condition and false condition, what will be the final result? Can anyone text fast? Text fast. What will be the yeah, false? Okay.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 7. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Python tutorials.